Hey, what's up everybody? It's Matt Moran's Contraband. Today I'm here with a video all about Facebook. This video is for people who are invested in Facebook stock. It's also people who are music creators and have copyrighted music on Facebook. It's also for people who make YouTube videos and are interested in getting a monetized Facebook account. And basically, Facebook is scamming everybody. They're scamming the people who advertise with them, their customers. They're scamming the shareholders because their whole platform is based on lies and deceptions. And for anyone who is interested in getting a monetized Facebook account, I'm about to show you it's not even worth your time. Okay, so let's jump right into it. This is my ads manager, and this is basically showing results of ads that are being ran. So if you were a customer like Coca-Cola or something, this is like the interface you'd spend your time in and set up your ads and everything, okay? So the one I really want to focus on right here, this one, this is advertising my Spotify. So there's two key numbers here. One is the number of clicks. Supposedly 14,000 people have clicked in to go into my Spotify. So they listened to a song of mine, liked it enough to actually click into Spotify, supposedly, okay? And here the second number is 84,000. That's the number of people who have watch the video for 10 seconds. So that's like a 10-second retention. And so I'm about to basically prove to you that Facebook is nothing but a bunch of lies and fake numbers and accounting irregularities. That's a key word, because whenever you hear that, accounting irregularities, it basically means like you got to bail on the stock. And I'm about to prove to you accounting irregularities here. So I'll switch over. This is Creator Studio. If you're familiar with YouTube, this is kind of like your Creator Studio on YouTube. Now we're looking at statistics for that ad we were just looking at. This is the video that's playing. So you can see it's only showing 239 3-second views. So even already we've proven, because this is on a seven-day timeline just like this, right? We've just proven that like this great American company that's so technologically advanced, like they can't even make up these numbers match up, because here we're looking at 10-second video views, so this number should actually be higher. And so, you know, we've already proven that there's some accounting irregularities. And in my opinion, what they're doing, if you're Coca-Cola, they're just showing you any number they want to, because they're selling you something. You can't go verify that. You don't get a list of people and ask them, hey, did you view this video? You know, they can put any number here you want. And I think what's happening over here, maybe this is more realistic number, or I mean, who knows? But so let's go a little further. Now, okay, this is for those YouTubers who you know, aspire to have a monetized Facebook account. So you have to get like 30,000 views in, I think, a month or something like that. So unless you're just huge already, it's going to cost you. And if you are huge already, you're probably not going to be advertising. But so remember that number, 84,000 in 7 days. Like the number of monetized views they're paying for me is like yet another number, right? So none of the numbers match. And as far as a stream rate, I mean, this is, let's see, if we add 3, you know, basically round to 1,000, add 3 decimals. So there's 4 zeros before any number on, you know, cash per stream. It's the worst I've ever seen. And I used to think, YouTube's not very great either. There's 3 zeros and then a number. Well, I mean, this is 10 times worse than YouTube. So if you're investing money to get a monetized Facebook account, you're basically wasting your time. And this video, it's had over 1 million views. So, this number should be a lot higher than that. And so they rip you off if you're a monetized person. Now here's the most interesting number. This is inside Spotify, and these numbers are a little bit embarrassing for me, but it's even more embarrassing for Facebook because so this is a little bit different scale. 28 days, okay. These are my number of listeners. Now let's go back to our ad studio. Facebook ad studio numbers. Supposedly, this is where, 14,000 people have clicked into, supposedly to go to Spotify. But, there's just no way, because the funniest thing about these numbers is these two spikes right here. They're both on a Saturday. Here I'm just playing on this one was an actual gig at a venue, but there was only like, I don't know, 50 people there or something. And then this one I was just playing on the street. So just playing these for 50 people was far more effective than Facebook ads. So that tells you that they're just full of crap and they're lying to people. And then here's another view. And again, embarrassing numbers. You can see that I'm not on the show Empire, let's say that. But, I'm making improvement. And you can see kind of it does have an upward trend. But if there was really 14,000 people clicking in this, because here we're going since 2015, okay, number of listeners. I mean, the numbers would just be way off this chart if what they're telling me is even remotely true. And, again, you can see like the spikes I got just from playing some tiny concert have been far more effective than Facebook advertising. And so, yeah, a little bit of investor warning. And I just, I really feel like suing them because I invested a lot of money in their platform, and there's so much more I could say, and I just feel like these numbers are definitely fake, and if they're ripping me off this much, then how much are they ripping off someone like the Chinese government? Okay, and I promised to talk about if you're a musician and you got copyrighted information or copyrighted songs through like CD Baby or something like that. The worst part of these numbers is this advertisement here is for this video here, which has over 1 million streams. And well, that's actually copyrighted with CD Baby. Well, it's published by CD Baby, and there's an agreement between Facebook and CD Baby where, even without having a monetized Facebook account, they're supposed to be paying me for every stream of this song. So, this in that deal, it probably represents, I don't know, CD Baby's huge. I would say probably 10,000 artists, if not even more than that. And the funniest number, which I didn't print it out, but it's the number of streams that they pay me on for my copyright. Every month or quarter, I forget which it is, they actually just report one stream, not 1,000, not 1,000, one. So they're off by a factor of 1 million. And, the liability to the stock, it's got to be huge because, like, I'm just a small client. Imagine like you're the Chinese government who they helped run fake information ads, fake news ads in Hong Kong. Like if they're ripping me off this for thousands of dollars, how much are they ripping off the Chinese government? And to me, it's like a huge red flag, and like I wouldn't be holding Facebook stock because eventually, you know, um, eventually someone's going to make them pay, and maybe it's going to be CD Baby, maybe it's going to be the recording industry. More likely, someone huge like the Chinese government once they find out how much they're getting ripped off by these guys. And so, yeah, no big surprise because this is the same company that sold out America in the election. So, big surprise there. No big surprise. Yep. So, there you have it. Don't trust Facebook.